Alright guys, I just want to show you some variations of the head trace wave that I like to do. Obviously, there's some that you already know because you've seen a lot of dancers do it. I will show you those and I'll show you some extra variations. So the first variation, or the first move you'll see a lot of dancers do, is just the circular head trace wave. So your head just starts off here and then it comes all the way around like this, okay? Like a circle. Next, you might see a lot of dancers do this one, like here. It goes straight across. Boom, 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 boom. You might see that, like you might see the diagonal head trace wave. It goes like this. Slide down, 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 down. Boom, 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 boom. You might see that one a lot. You may even see this one. Boom, 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 boom. I'm sure you've seen a lot of dancers do this one too. Okay, like straight down, boom, boom. Even the head controls the arm as well. So you might see them go wrists down, across, boom, 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 boom. You may see them like turn. Then they like flip over like this. Then they might like turn it, boom. So you have like some of these angles. So I'm sure you've also seen this one as well. In the previous video I just made, I did this one. So it's like more like a spiral shape where we go down like this. Okay, so this is the variation I'm going to show you first. The variation of this is like a fixed point one. So the head's the only real thing that's moving here. It's just like going down, and then maybe you might level change a little bit with that, just so you can get like the full range of motion. But the other way to do this is keep your head still and just turn your body now. So if I keep my head still, my body's gonna do something now. Watch this. Okay, so just by like, maybe you can like start off high, okay, and then as you turn, start going down like this. So I can like turn, like pull. So this is the fixed point version. There's two ways of doing it: head only, or we can now turn. Boom. So you got two variations there. Another one is, it's like this, boom, 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 but we're gonna do it like this now. So now our head wants to go down here and across. So this time we're gonna have to do like this, or yeah, like down, across, down, up, down, across, boom, up. Okay. The next one we're gonna do is more like an upside down one. So we're gonna follow this concept where we go boom, 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 but now we're gonna add a circle with it. So I'll show you this one first, and then I'll get onto the variation of it. So the spin version of this looks like this. Okay. And the variation is the upside down kind of version of that. So now where we go like this, we're going to kind of use our hand, like, you remember this one? Down, across. We go down, across. And our head kind of like follows, right? So it's kind of like a variation of that last one we did. Okay, so we do have that variation. And yeah, there's so many different ways you can do like head trace waves and stuff as well. So this is like a pretty cool concept if you want to play around with it. You can do like two lines. You could do like stuff like this. So form some boxes, and then you have some extra lines to play around with. Head. And then you can like bring the boxes through. You can like move the boxes around. So now we got like boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? Or we can go like this and push the box through. Use our head to like push, like from either side, like maybe this side, push. It gets a bit confusing because you have to remember which arm's in front and behind. When you do this, it only really works with like the behind hand, the one that's closest to your head. So if my head's here, then you have to kind of like slide like that, okay? But then you can do it like this as well. Okay, slide, and then push, and then you can control. We can control the arms. We can turn our wrist. Okay. The next thing I like to do is also like playing around with this angle here. Okay. So from the side. Down, like I was doing just before, like this. We can also kind of like play around with it from the side, and we can move that around. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe you want to like turn it. Turn it around, sorry. So like, you move this around like this. If you have the flexibility to do that, it's quite difficult. Okay. A square. Okay, so the square can be like up, okay, so we're still kind of like tracing, we're just moving it around like that, and then we also have like tunnels and stuff as well, so like this, we can also like use with the tunnels, and then we can like do stuff like this, bring it across, bring it down, through, move like, create like boxes and stuff. Okay, so in all these positions, it's like we can use the sliding, and we can move it around. Okay, and our head can like fit inside these boxes, or we can like just play around with it like this. And then like see how our head can like trace these angles. Maybe we want to like use our head to like control our wrist. We can be like open up, and then like our head can like grab this. So down, up, across. So you may see this one a lot, like it's like rubbing your head, but it's like so I'm sure you've seen this one as well. It goes like with your feet, you would like go in and out, or you could glide with it. It's kind of like you could use the head oscillations, boom. So maybe we'll go across, we'll go boom, and then like shuffle the feet across like that, or we'll go like boom, and then like add some shuffles with the feet, or across this way, across this way, across this way, like fixed point with it. So there's heaps of stuff we can do like that really, and it's a pretty fun concept. Even like X shapes can be fun, where we can like go, okay, like boop, 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 and then we can like start adding our squares. So we go from X to square shape. I don't know what's going on with my head here, sorry about that. It's like falling out, but oh well. So X, we have different paths we can trace. And I like to keep my head tilted on the way of the X. So if I'm coming down, I'd be like this, rotate my head a little bit, come up this way, and then maybe we turn this way, and then we can like use this concept like sliding of the arms like this, but with the X shape as well, okay? So we can go like this, and we can like start to like bring it down, bring it up, bring it here, turn, slide, up, slide down, maybe here, turn, boom, slide up, slide across, up, over, turn it, and then maybe like get into the X again from here, diagonal lines, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up, boom, 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 boom. Maybe hit some diagonal lines, straight lines, and now we'll do some head circles. Boom, open it up, come down, pop, turn, boom. So now we've got some variations and play around with that because it's super fun.